Thank you, Vinay. And the chapters are very important because I have to thank at the time of flood, Chennai, the last December 2015, it is witnessed that time Vinay and Vidya Shankar ji called me, know how what is the support and help required. So these sort of chapters is very much helpful on that to talk with the government, to speak with the people as an organization that we can represent. So in Chennai, that lot of waters are gone now. A lot of money is coming to for rebuilding. So it is a time to rebuild Chennai. There are 300 ESDM companies are there, so we are going to form as a chapter. So anyone that is comes from Chennai here, then I'll be whole day I'll be available. So contact me, so we can go for take a more initiative, aggressive activities to rebuild Tamil Nadu and Chennai chapters. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ram Prakash. Of course, we've had a chapter in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is also a strong ecosystem for ESDM, particularly semiconductors, but now increasingly electronic systems. It has been, I would say, dormant for some time, very passive as a chapter. But I'm glad that Kiran Mai Pendyala, VP HR for Greater Asia, AMD, has again taken the initiative to resurrect Hyderabad chapter and make it more relevant for the ESDM ecosystem in the country. So if Kiran Mai is here, I would welcome her, and Kiran Mai, if you can just narrate us in a minute, what are those various initiatives that you have begun to resurrect the IESA chapter in Hyderabad? Thank you.
Thank you, Vinay. Good morning, everyone. Hyderabad chapter, as Vinay has mentioned, has been dormant for quite some time. And with the initiative taken up by Satya, Vidya Shankar, and Venki in particular, we said, why don't we come together and play an active role, especially with the government of Telangana and government of Andhra Pradesh, really want to take big leaps and huge investments in terms of creating a large ecosystem for the industry. So some of us, we have presence of Broadcom, Qualcomm, Xilinx, from a major players I'm referring. I represent AMD, but we do have several other, Synopsys and others, with offices located in Hyderabad as well. So and we have several startups coming up in Hyderabad. So that gave us the impetus that we need to come together, join hands, and see how we can really broaden, not just on the talent firmament, because that's what I represent, but also in terms of further investments to foster business environment out there. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran Mai. Sorry, I had to be dragged into logistics challenges for this day. Now, we begin program for day 2. We have all the 3 dignitaries that comprise the inaugural session on day 2 here. So if you give me some minutes and Vasanthi takes over, we will go and escort them to the hall. Thank you very much for your patience, and especially please take a note that we need more volunteers to start various chapters of IESA all across India. Thank you.
Good morning. Namaskara. Would like to acknowledge the presence of the dignitaries. The chief guests have arrived and the guest of honor as well. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman is here, and so is Sri Krishna Bairegowda. I'd like to welcome you on to this very crucial second day that we've had in the Vision Summit. My name is Vasanthi Hariprakash, and it's a pleasure to be invited to anchor this very significant function. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, yesterday we've been speaking about how to grapple with this $400 billion opportunity. You've heard thought leaders from across the spectrum, and today the theme is making the India ESDM opportunity a reality. We are waiting to hear what the dignitaries have to say as well. But meanwhile, as you know, there can be no really function in India, in this country, without the lighting of a beautiful lamp, which is why I'm going to be inviting the chief guest as well as the guest of honor to please proceed to the dais and light the lamp. First and foremost, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge for Commerce and Industry. Welcome you, ma'am, as well as Shri Krishna Bairegowda, Minister for Agriculture, Government of Karnataka. I would like to invite Dr. Anup Pujari, Secretary MSME, Government of India. And from the IESA, the Chairman himself, Shri Vinay Shenoy, and the Vice Chairman, K. Krishnamurthy, to the dais. May I request the volunteers and in fact Shri Vinay as well to please escort the dignitaries on to close to the lamp. For those of you who have come in from different parts of the world, you have seen this part yesterday, and I was telling you about all the positive energies that come with the lighting of the lamp. It's a very significant part of starting something very new. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, as we say, unto light, more knowledge, and all the good things that are needed for a beginning. Thank you, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Shri Krishna Bairegowda, and all the guests on the dais. I request Vinay to welcome our guests with flowers. Yes, indeed, first to our chief guest who has come all the way to Bangalore, the Minister of State for Commerce and Industry, Srimati Nirmala, also to Shri Krishna Bairegowda. And to Dr. Anup Pujari.